Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this carousel for your Instagram reel or your TikTok video. So I'll show you how to create this kind of animation in Canva. So let's get started. So this is our blank Instagram page. So the dimension is an Instagram reel dimension. So let's go to elements, get a circle, place it somewhere here. I need to change this color to something different. I want to use FF GE 59. 59. Yeah. So let's get our elements. This is a cupcake. Let me increase this a little. Let's get a donut. I can rotate this to 90. Resize it. Get a donut. And then lastly, a cookie. Just to make sure it is well positioned with this. That's not the right one. Center. And then these two. All right. Group them so we can scale. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we can enter our test. Go to test. Bring it down. We need to get a line, which is I just use the shortcut L on my keyboard. And let's resize this line. I think this length is okay. I need to duplicate the line as well. Place it somewhere here. And let's change the font for this. The font we need is Glacial. Yeah, this is it, Glacial Indifference. And we want it in capital letter. And the font 42. Let's bring this back here. Okay, let's use the position to position them properly. So they should be middle positioned. And let's tidy up. Good. So I can group this, center it, go back to position. Center. All right, the next test we need is sweet. Sweet. Bring it down. We want it in a different font as well. So the font is Anton. And then we want the font size to be 112. And it should also be in capital letter. And let's center it as well using our position. Okay, it's well centered. Another word we need is carousel. Carousel, bring it here. We're going to change the font as well. The font to glacial. And then we want it in capital letter. And we want it, okay, I need to change the font size to 56. And then we can then center it. Good. So let's duplicate this so we can enter the name of this cupcake, which is chocolate cupcake. Place it. Yeah, it should be at the center as well. Then we need one last test. Delicious and healthy. Let's unbold it. And then change the font size to 3:8. So we need to change this entire text. The color, we need to change the color to something brownish. We use let's say 573 Okay, so this is the font this is the font color. So this is our first page. Let's duplicate this page. Duplicate it into 3 more places. So duplicate the first one, second, and third. So here now what we can do is to change the name. So we'll change the name to beef burger, and then we'll rotate this to 90 degrees. Go to position, scroll down to where you have rotate. So rotate to angle 90. So we'll go to the second one, which is chocolate. Choco cookie. Let's use the word choco cookie. Go back to position. I think this should be 180. Let's see. Good. And then the last one, the name should be donut. So this time we'll rotate to 270, I guess. Let's try 270. Not sure of my mathematics. So 270. Good. So these are our pages. The first page, second page, third page, and the fourth page. Before we add transition to this, we need to resize this because I don't want this video to be this long. It's a TikTok reel, so it's an Instagram reel, so we should use 2.5. The duration for each page should be 2.5. Let's see what we have before we add transition. So now let's make it smoother with transition. Go to transition. What we need is a match and move transition. And we want it applied to all the pages. So apply between all pages. And let's now see what we have with transition added. So this is our carousel. So this is how to create your own sweet carousel. Try it out and let me see what you come up with. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.